Hi everybody, it's Diana. Sorry I didn't make videos for a while. I finally got some decent lighting. Still trying to figure that out. Probably won't always wear my glasses in videos so that you can see me better. But I wanted to make a few videos and try to get at least 2 to 3 up per week so that it's more interesting and you want to keep up with my channel. So the first thing I want to talk about is Boxy Charm, which I'm sure you've seen a lot of people come. It looks really big in videos, but it's only like, I don't know, like a hand size. So when you get it in the mail, it does fit in the mailbox. And I actually subscribed for a year with this after I got my taxes back, and that's because I'm trying to smartly get makeup, but also because I like getting surprises. I like that these are full size. It's really not that much a month, especially if it'll help curb a little bit of my spending, which was one big reason for getting it. But let's just see what we have, and I'm excited to get like 12 boxes a year. So I'm going to do one of these every month. I know it's really late in the month and you've seen a lot of these already, so bear with me. So it always comes with a little card, and this is vacation, very cute. And then on the back it'll say what you're getting and the prices of them. So I'm showing you that first this time because I know that you've already probably seen videos on this. It also came with a 25% off your $50 Butter London purchase. So if you want to use my code CHARM25, go ahead. Sorry, this is a webcam, so it doesn't always focus great. So one thing we got was South Main 3 eye gel packs. I haven't tried these yet. I've actually waited to try anything in the box until after this was over. Woo! I like that you do get 3 in here, so I can try it a few times. I probably won't do it until I take a bath, which is when I try something like this, but I'm excited to try it. You also get the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. Butter London does a lot of those like jelly highlighters, and they'll do like the really squishy jelly, losing my mind, the really squishy jelly eyeshadows as well, which I've wanted to try but haven't. So here's the packaging. And the wand is pretty standard. It's not bad. I'm excited to try it. I do have kind of a lot of stuff I'm getting through, and I'm going to do an empties video after this. I'm not sure which will go up first, but it's empties for March. And I actually have a lot of empties because I do a lot of sampling and I like to get through stuff. The next thing I got was by Pretty Vulgar. It's a Make Them Blush in Hush Blush, which is a tongue twister. So here's mine, and mine is actually not that crazy hot pink one that everyone's been getting. It's a very neutral shade. It's very pretty, kind of peachy, if you can see. The one I think that's similar to the one people got is a lot like this other blush I have that's not by Pretty Vulgar, but I do like it. It's a Stylist Self-Adjusting Coral one, and that one's pretty hot pink, and that's really close to the color that a lot of people were getting and didn't like, but I am very happy with mine, and I would have been happy with the bright pink one too, because I've always wanted to try this. I'm sorry about my shaky stuff, and this I had to repress because I did a deep potting and some of it died during that, so it still works fine. But anyways, yeah, so those are the first 3 things we got, and I think they always give you 5 things, which is really, really nice. The next one was from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, the Smoky Eye Brush Set. You get 3 brushes, and I'm a person who doesn't like to buy brushes because they're really expensive, and when I do, it's typically e.l.f. or sometimes I'll get some from Claire's where I work. And they're cheapy brushes, but they do the job. I actually have one Claire's brush I really like. It is like a unicorn brush, and I use it for like doing all like the setting of my makeup. And this works really well for that. It's like just dense enough but soft enough, and I love the handle. Woo! So you get that at Claire's if you really like it. But it does come with these 3 brushes, which I am really excited about. And sorry again, not the best camera, but we're going to do this and work on it together. And then last but not least, which is the thing I am most excited about, is the Boxy Charm and Pure Cosmetics palette, which again is about the size of my face and hand. So pretty much the size of the whole Boxy Charm box. And I do love Pure Cosmetics. I love the pony palette. It comes with a mirror, which is great or not great. I don't really care either way. But these, I don't have very many neutral palettes, but I liked it because it had like some really fun shades, kind of these bottom 6 ones, with just a couple neutrals, so I could try neutrals because I don't really wear them too much. Right now I have on some green eyeshadows, one from the Heavy Metals palette by Urban Decay that came out around the holidays, which I really love. It's an odd shaped palette, but the shadows are really nice. And then I also really love the other one that I'm using. It's the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean palette. So I just have a lot of green eyeshadow. I'll just show you really quick. And some silver in there. It's kind of fun. Little black. On my lips is like the Bite Beauty that you get for free. Well, you can choose to pick it for free, or you can get Glam Glow, I think, for Sephora for your birthday. This one's called Chai. I think it's really pretty. On camera, it looks a little bit redder than it is in person, but it's still pretty nice. But yes, this is the thing I am the most excited about. And they usually give like a palette every time in Boxy Charm. I'm going to show you one more time. So this one, woo, I have to get used to this, is like a really, really pretty cranberry, and then you get the pink and this blue. And I just wanted to show you, okay, so when you're thinking about palettes, anyways, like normally a palette like this, a pure palette, would probably be like $30 to $45, okay? So this costs for the whole box right here, plus you're getting a full-size mascara, a blush, and a color you may or may not like, and brushes that I know I will use eventually. So for me, this pays for the box, but I'm actually excited about all of it. The gel packs, I'm kind of but I'm still excited because I'll try them. It's just not something I would normally buy for myself, but I'm happy to have for free. I consider it. But this palette's really nice. I'll just swatch a couple shades for you, just so you can see. If you think about a lot of the palettes coming out for spring right now, Urban Decay has a palette coming out, and there's a lot of palettes, and they're all like these beachy summer themes. See, they're all really, really pretty. And all it is a palette with a blue in it. It's a neutral palette just like this. Not even with the purple and black, but with the blue. So this is a fun palette. Also, if you're really drawn to those kind of palettes, I think it might be a good idea. Maybe just buy yourself a blue, because you probably already have those colors or something. Most people, not me so much, really love neutrals. Sometimes I like them as a base before I put down other colors. But in general, I don't. But I thought that Boxy Charm was a really good deal, and you do get a tiny, tiny discount if you buy for the whole year or a couple months at a time. The only downside is if you decide you don't like it and you've already paid for the year, you're kind of out of luck. So you do kind of have to just enjoy it for the year. You're going to get them anyway if you've already paid for it. So you can't really cancel. But yeah, I thought this was a really good Boxy Charm. I'm really excited about next month. I'm going to get that one up as soon as I get it, because I really want to try these, and I'll probably try them tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.